Evening, welcome to Sri Chaitanya Bridge classes. How are you all, guys? Yeah, we've been discussing about trigonometry, trigoniometron, measurement of a triangle. Trigonometry is the branch of math which deals with the relations between sides and angles of a triangle. Now, dear students, it plays a vital role in many parts of math, in many chapters of math. So, we've been studying. Yeah, Hasini, Sri, everyone, good evening, how are you all? Yes, be non-negative. Yes, number is the ruler of the universe. Yes, thank you everyone. Guys, let us come to our frequency once, try to match the frequency. So be non-negative, text all of you, be non-negative. Number is the ruler of the universe. Number is everything. Number, okay. Yeah, fine. Samyukta, Agneshree, Bindu, okay, right, no voice. Right, dear students, we shall continue trigonometry part. How are you all? You see, meanwhile we have been discussing almost about the past 2 weeks. We covered first modulus function, then fractional part function, step function, and then we have also discussed transformations of graphs. Especially in sequence and series, we have highlighted AP, GP, HP. Hi. And then, yeah, Dheeraj, how are you? Fine. Then we've seen coordinate system, distance formula, section formula, area of a triangle, area of a polygon and all. Murali, fine, thank you. Hasini, thank you, fine. Yeah, right everyone. Then, so the main important part, the trigonometry part, those who have not done trigonometry in the foundation part, this discussion is going to be helpful a lot. In the last 2 classes, I have introduced some basic concepts of trigonometry, that is how to measure, how an angle is measured in 3 systems, especially degrees and radians are important, how to convert an angle from degrees to radians and radians to degrees, and we have defined, already you know the definitions of trigonometric ratios in a right angle triangle when theta is acute, but dear students, here we converted them like trigonometry functions. We have defined trigonometric ratios for any angle from -infinity to infinity. Right, dear students? Clear? And we have seen the graphs, I mean to say trigonometric functions behavior in the 4 quadrants, and yesterday's important 3 topics were trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta, right? After that, dear students, yesterday one important point I have given, recall, square root of x square is, what is the answer? All of you please text, guys, square root of x square. Come on, quick. Square root of x square, I want the answer, dear students. Very important point. Very important point. Yeah, square root of x square, this, it is not x. Square root of x square, I want square root of x square, please don't say x, non-negative. Square root of x square, please don't say x. X is, yes, it is mod x. It is mod x. Very important point. It is mod x. Square root of x square is mod x. All of you please text, guys. Square root of x square is mod x. It is not x. A very important point in JEE. So if you don't know this particular concept, definitely you will be misled to a wrong answer in the options. So especially in math, JEE paper will be lengthy and time taking and conceptual. If you are lagging at some concepts, definitely you will be led to a wrong answer. You will get -1 instead of +4. So dear students, please do remember this point, square root of x square is mod x, right? Trigonometric identities, yesterday's, let me recall once again, Point number 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is going to be 1 for any theta, and 1 plus tan square theta is going to be sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is going to be cosecant square theta. Right everyone? Clear? So Harshita, as of now not planned. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about the exam, just enjoy the class, enjoy the concepts, okay? Right. Now dear students, here I have given one important point. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So if secant theta minus tan theta is k, what is the immediate conclusion? In any problem, if you see secant theta minus tan theta is k, what is your immediate conclusion? Secant theta plus tan theta is its reciprocal 1 by k. Okay. Similarly, it implies secant theta plus tan theta is going to be 1 by k. This is important. Similarly, for cosecant theta minus cot theta, even cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. This is from yesterday's discussion, which is a very, very important one, guys. Now, after trigonometric identities, all of you listen to me. I am going to introduce a very, very important concept, allied angles concept, simplification based. You need to pay attention for 10 minutes, solid attention, which helps you to understand conversions and all will be very, very easy. Got my point everyone? Clear? Are you all ready, guys? Today's discussion, allied angle simplification related to trigonometric functions. Right everyone? Please let me know your readiness. If you say everyone yes sir, if you give a thumbs up, we'll start. So everyone come on, quick, let me see. Fine. Ready dear students, especially CBSE students, those who didn't go through foundation and all, for you people it will be very, very helpful. Listen to me carefully, right? Now dear students, we know trigonometric ratio values for some standard angles and not for bigger angles. Suppose you want to calculate sine of 1230 degrees. So big angle, sine of 1230 degrees I need to calculate. Listen to me carefully. If you get a bigger angle, what you need to do is, guys, 1230 degrees, first you divide with 90 degrees. Clear? Why 90? Every quadrant is 90 degrees. For every 90 degrees, quadrant changes. Okay. So 90 into 1, 90. You will get 330. 93s are 270. So you will get 60 is the remainder. Correct? So dear students, so the point is you can write it as sine of, you see 13 is the remainder, 13 into 90 degrees plus 60 degrees. Do you understand how to write this? When bigger angle is given, dear students, you need to divide this with 90, you will get some quotient and remainder. The quotient is 13 and remainder is this. Now two things dear students, all of you see here, two things. First you need to fix its magnitude, then sign. So first let us fix the sign. You see these are our quadrants. This is 0 position always. 1 into 90, 2 90s, 3 90s, 4 90s you will come here, 8 90s also here, 12 also here, 13 90s plus some angle. So you are in second quadrant, guys. You are in second quadrant. Got it everyone? 13 into 90 plus 60. Your starting position is here. So 190, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Every multiple of 4 you will stop here. 4, 8, 12, 13 will be here plus 60. You will be in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine. I told you already, all silver teacups in second quadrant sign is positive, so you write plus. Step 1, do you understand everyone? First you need to fix the sign. Is it clear everyone, dear students? Is it clear everyone? Is it clear everyone? After this guys, after this, now you just observe the quotient. This quotient even or odd? Friends, if it is even, you have to write as it is. If it is odd, you see, sine is to be converted into cos, cos into sine. Tan is to be converted into cot, cot into tan. Secant is to be converted into cosecant, cosecant into secant. Please do remember this. If it is odd, sine is to be converted into cos. I'll explain, Bindu, don't worry. So odd, so sine becomes cos. This angle you copy as it is. Cos 60. Cos 60 is going to be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the answer, dear students. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Let me repeat all of you. Listen to me carefully. If you want to calculate, I'll explain, listen to me all of you. If you want to calculate trigonometric ratios for bigger angles, first you take this angle, divide this with 90. Why with 90 only? Because for every 90 quadrant changes. 90 into 13, you got this. You write this. After writing this, everyone listen to me. First step, you need to fix the sign. That means you are in which quadrant? Here it is the 0 position for angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 90s, 8 90s, 12 90s, 13 90s plus something. You are in second quadrant. So second quadrant, this one sign is positive, so I have written positive. Then next, dear students, you observe the quotient if it is even or odd. If even, copy as it is. If odd, sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine. Tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan. Secant becomes cosecant, cosecant becomes secant. Then you write this angle as it is. Correct everyone? And one more important thing, many students will do this mistake. First odd coefficient is there, sine they change as cos, then second quadrant they will confuse with whether to see with sine or cos. So dear students, it is old is gold. Old is gold means old one's sine you have to see. Second quadrant sine you have to see, not this cos. Okay? Right. Let us do one more question. Yeah. Let us do one more question. You see, try to simplify tan of, so 1110 degrees. 1110 degrees. Come on everyone, all of you please help me to answer this question. Let me see your involvement guys. Come on. Those who didn't understand especially, just follow me. I am going to give you in a clear way. So bigger angle 1110 degrees. First you divide with 90. 90 ones are 90. So 210. So 92s are 180. So you got 30. So tan of 1110 degrees, I can write tan of 12 into 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. Correct? Is this clear everyone? Is this clear everyone guys? Clear, 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 clear. Now you just see the quadrants. Friends, this is important. If you don't focus, bit difficult to understand, give your 200% attention. Okay, right? So see here, now we start from here 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 490s here, 890s here, 1290s here, 1290s plus 30. Interestingly, we are in first quadrant. We are in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive, so positive. After that, since it is even, you write as it is, tan. Whatever angle is here, you write here, tan 30 degrees, 1 by root 3. Clear everyone? Right, right everyone. Those who understand, like the video, subscribe to our channel, Sri Chaitanya channel, all of you. Like and subscribe. those who are following comfortably, right? Clear? Let me do one more question of this kind so that you can do comfortably, guys. Chalo. Yeah, allied angles one more question I am going to do, guys. All of you see here, let me do cos of, yeah, you see 1410 degrees, cos of 1410 degrees. Quick guys, quick. So 1410, first you divide with 90, 90 ones are 90, so 51, 510, so 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 45, 450, so 60 is left. So dear students, let me write it as cos of 15 into 90 plus 60 degrees. Okay, come on. So 15 into 90, dear students, you are here, this is the starting position, 0, 4 90s, 8 90s, 12 90s, 13, 14, 15, here 15 plus something, we are in fourth quadrant, guys. You are in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is, all silver teacups, cos is positive. Correct, correct. Now 15, you just check the quotient, even or odd. If it is even, you can copy as it is. If it is odd, cos becomes a sine. This 60 degrees you copy as it is, so that it becomes sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2. Clear? Sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2. Correct? Yeah. Suppose a student has done like this, you just see, same thing, he has written cos of 15 into 90 degrees plus 60 degrees. Okay. So dear students, here first odd number is there, cos becomes sine, sine 60, we are in fourth quadrant, in fourth quadrant sine negative, they will put minus, they have written minus root 3 by 2. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Guys, tell me, right or wrong? A student first, since it is odd, cos has become sine, we are in fourth quadrant sine is negative, so he kept minus. Is this correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? Quick. Wrong, because guys, sine to be fixed based on the one. Old is gold. Text all of you, old is gold. All of you write, old is gold, because you have to fix the sign based on the old one, not the new one. Okay, all of you text, old is gold. Old is gold. Quick. Come on. Old is gold. You have to fix the sign based on the old one, not the new. Old is gold. But gold is never old. Okay? Old is gold. Arey quick yaar. Old is gold. Okay, right? Now dear students, that's really interesting. Thank you very much. The students, most of you are really seriously, sincerely following the lecture. I am very happy yaar. So I have become your favorite teacher. You are my favorite students, maybe. I am your, okay Padma, thank you very much. So really, I have become your favorite teacher. You are my favorite students. Okay? Telugu dialogue. ఎలా చెప్పను ఏం చెప్పను డైలాగ్ ఏదిరా నాన్న డైలాగ్ ఉంటే చెప్తా ఓల్డ్ ఈజ్ గోల్డ్ old is gold, right? Nice. Okay, fine. Another example will do. Now dear students, all of you listen to me. Now Telugu dialogue, let me think of, otherwise you tell me a dialogue. Dialogue cheppandi nenu chepta. పుష్ప అంటే నేషనల్ అనుకుంటున్నావా? ఇంటర్నేషనల్. ఓకే, పుష్ప అంటే ఫ్లవర్ అనుకున్నావా? ఫైర్, వైల్డ్ ఫైర్. అర్థమైందా? ఓకే. గాంధీజీ క్యా కరూ బేటా? Gandhi is a great personality. Okay, so we can't become Gandhi. He's a great personality. We can admire him. You are old. Arey yaar, I am not good. Old is gold, but I am not gold because I am not old. Okay, guys. ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడి తీసుకెళ్లారా నాన్న? ఓల్డ్ ఈజ్ గోల్డ్, బట్ you don't apply transitive property everywhere. I am not old, so I am not gold. Be bold. Okay? Right. Chalo. Fine. Looking like, but still. Yeah. Fine, right. Okay. Chalo, come to the point. Let us simplify. But meanwhile, we are just waiting. 1728, we are just short of 1 minute. One more. Okay, Charan will do one more. As per Charan's request, let me take one more question. So tan of 335 degrees. Tan of 335 degrees. Charan, for you it is. Okay, solo 1728. Okay, 335 degrees, you just divide with 90, 93 times 270, 315 degrees you make it, 315, so 45 degrees you will get. Okay, so dear students, I can write this is tan of 3 into 90 plus 45 degrees. Okay, 3 into 90 plus 45. Guys, come here. You are here. 3 into 90. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 plus something. We are in 4th quadrant. In 4th quadrant, tan is negative because all silver tea cups, right? And this is odd. So tan becomes cot 45 degrees. So cot 45 degrees is 1. Minus 1 is the answer, dear Charan. Got it, everyone? 1728. 1728. 12 cube. 1728. 12 cube. Okay, 12 cube. 1728. But here, got it, dear students? This one, is it clear? 1729. 9 cube 729, 27 square 729, 3 power 6 729, 12 cube plus 1 cube 729. This is the least number which can be written as sum of 2 cubes in 2 ways. Okay, have you tried for such one more number, guys? Ramanujan number? Okay, we'll talk about it later sometime. So is it clear, everyone? So if it is clear, guys, now we shall try some more things to calculate. Come on, all of you, please join here. So I want to calculate theta. Okay, array 90 degrees minus theta. Try to calculate sin of 90 degrees minus theta, cos of 90 degrees minus theta, tan of 90 degrees minus theta. Similarly, cot of 90 degrees minus theta, cosecant of 90 degrees minus theta, secant of 90 degrees minus theta. All of you, please help me how to compute these values, guys. Theta means, unless mentioned, you just treat like theta is some acute angle. All of you see here, guys. So theta 90 degrees minus theta. So actually 90 means, can I feel like it is 1 into 90? Clear? 1 into 90. 1 is odd number. Before that, this is 90. 90 minus theta, you have to treat like in first quadrant. Clear? Clear? 90 degrees minus theta. Which quadrant, guys? Which quadrant? First quadrant. So in first quadrant, all are positive. So I don't hesitate to write plus. Now 90 is always 1 into 90. odd number, sine becomes cos. So this is cos theta. Correct? 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 Yeah. So this is also first quadrant. So plus cos becomes sine, sine theta. This is also plus, tan becomes cot, cot theta. Here plus, this is tan theta. Cosecant becomes secant theta. Secant becomes cosecant theta. Correct everyone? Is this fine everyone? Yes please. Those who are watching the video or like the video, many did not like it. So dear students, this is all about 90 degrees minus theta. Now 90 degrees plus theta. Can you help me to calculate sine of 90 degrees plus theta, cos of 90 degrees plus theta? Come on. Cos of 90 degrees plus theta, tan of 90 degrees plus theta. So how to compute? Please help me here guys. So 90 degrees plus theta will be in second quadrant kind of. Second quadrant guys. In second quadrant all of you observe all silver. Only sine and cosecant are positive. Remaining are all negative guys. So sine is positive, but 90 is 1 into 90 where 1 is odd number, and hence 1 is odd number, sine becomes cos, cos theta. Second quadrant cos negative and 1, no, this is minus sine theta. So this is tan negative, tan becomes cot theta. Is this clear? Any doubt in this regard guys? Any doubt in this regard? So 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, can you calculate everyone? Can you calculate everyone 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta guys? Quick, quick, quick. Clear? Clear everyone? Good, that's good. So you try to calculate this sine of 180 degrees minus theta, cos of 180 degrees plus theta, maybe tan of 180 degrees plus theta, suppose cot of 270 degrees minus theta, maybe sine of 270 degrees plus theta, and tan of 360 degrees plus theta, and cos of 360 degrees minus theta. Let us compute these guys. Now you please remember guys, 90 means 1 into 90, odd multiple, and 270 is nothing but 3 into 90. Do remember, 90 and 270 are odd multiples of 90, correct? Odd multiples of 90, whereas 180 is 2 into 90, even multiple, and 360 is 4 into 90, even multiple. You must remember this point guys. Clear? 90 and 270 are odd multiples, correct? 90 and 270 are odd multiples, whereas 180 and 360 are even multiples. Fine? Fine? Now come to this question. This you can write 180 minus theta, which quadrant? Arey yaar, this is 0, this is 90, this is 180. Do remember, 90 minus theta is in first quadrant, 90 plus theta second quadrant. 180 minus theta is in second quadrant, 180 plus theta is in third quadrant. 270 minus theta third quadrant, 270 plus theta fourth quadrant. 360 minus theta fourth quadrant, 360 plus theta first quadrant. You must know this point guys. You must know this point. Is it clear everyone? Is it clear everyone? Okay. Yeah. Chalo. Now sine 180 degrees minus theta means this is in second quadrant, sine positive. Since it is even multiple, sine comes as it is, right? The next guys, cos 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is negative, all silver T. Now, since 180 is even multiple, cos becomes cos only. Okay, okay, right. Next, tan 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta in third quadrant, tan positive, even multiple, it becomes tan itself. Whereas 270 is odd multiple, be careful. 270 minus theta, third quadrant, cot is positive, so write plus, and since 270 is odd, cot becomes tan. Okay, right. Next, this is 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant, sign negative, since it is odd multiple, sign becomes cos. Okay, the next guys, 360 is here, 360 plus theta, first quadrant, so plus 360 even multiple, it becomes tan theta. Okay, the next guys, 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant, cos positive, and it is even multiple, it is cos theta itself. Guys, in this way we calculate the values of the allied angles for trigonometric ratios. Do you understand, dear students? In this complete discussion, the takeaway is, you see, 90, 270 are odd multiples and 180, 360 are even multiples. Now first, when some bigger angle is given, based on the quadrant you fix the sign. Old is gold, so first fix the sign, then if it is even multiple, write as it is. If it is odd multiple, sign becomes cos, cos becomes sin, tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan, secant becomes cosecant, cosecant becomes secant. Right everyone? So in this way we calculate allied angles related information. Those who understand, those who followed comfortably, give a like, dear students. All of you give a like, those who have followed the session comfortably, because this is not that easy to understand for the first time. You require a lot of practice. You can just take some angles and practice from any standard book. Right, dear students? Right everyone? Yeah. Now you just try to calculate these. Sine of 120 degrees, compute this. Sine 120 degrees, please compute this. Please compute this. Sine 120 degrees, please compute this. Please compute this. Yeah, sine 120 degrees in the sense, dear students, you can do this in two ways. Sine 90 degrees plus 30 degrees, one way. Second way is sine 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. So generally you can go with any of the methods. I prefer that because if it is 180 or 360, guys, if it is 180 or 360, no need to change, because even multiple I can write as it is. Of course, if you want to write, you see 90 plus 30, we are in second quadrant, so sign positive. Since it is odd multiple, sign becomes cos 30. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Second thing, guys, if it is 180, here 180 minus 60, second quadrant, sign positive. Since it is even, you can write as it is, sin 60 degrees, which is root 3 by 2. You can do by any of the methods, but this is always admirable, because 180 or 360 will become easy. You no need to change, you can write as it is. Got it everyone? Clear, 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 clear. Yeah. Right, next, dear students, all of you see this. Somebody asked you to calculate sine of 360 degrees plus theta. If 360 degrees is there, plus theta means 360 degrees means you have completed one round. You can always subtract a multiple of 360 from this so that value will not be changed. Okay, so this is always sin theta, guys. Okay, and one more point, sin of minus theta. Are minus theta means from here in clockwise direction you have to travel theta degrees. So you can treat minus theta in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant only cos and secant are positive, remaining are all negative. So this becomes minus sin theta, guys. Whereas cos of minus theta in fourth quadrant cos positive, so cos theta. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Whereas cot of minus theta minus cot theta. But secant of minus theta, this is plus secant theta, whereas cosecant of minus theta will become minus cosecant theta. Clear, everyone? So especially for minus theta, guys, listen to me, especially for minus theta you will get like, yeah, for only cos and secant you will get positive, remaining are all negative, guys. Remaining are all negative because you see in fourth quadrant minus theta you must treat like an angle in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant only cos and secant are positive, and hence you will get these two will become positive, remaining as it is, guys. Clear, everyone? Clear? Clear, everyone? Now dear students, not thank you, I will thank you later. So postpone the thanks. We need to do some questions. Yeah, come to this question, guys. All of you try to answer this question. If cos x plus cos square x is 1, yeah, then sin power 8x plus 2 sin power 6x plus sin power 4x. Come on, guys, need to simplify this. Option A, B, C, D. I am waiting for your response, guys. Quick, try please, try. Meanwhile, yeah, yes, cos x plus cos square x is 1, then find sin power 8x plus 2 sin power 6x plus sin power 4x. Clear? So dear students, those who are following the classes, so I have been observing many students are following the classes comfortably, very nice. It's really very happy to see, right? All of you please subscribe to the channel and like the video, forward to your friends, which helps even them a lot. Okay, one option in A, B, C, D. That is the answer, Harshit. A, B, C, D. So what answer is the right answer? Come on, quick, A. Chalo dear students, let us see, guys. This is a question which can be simplified in just less than 1 minute. You see, from this information, can I write cos x is equal to 1 minus cos square x, which means cos x is equal to sin square x. So wherever sin square x is there, you can replace with cos x. Sin square x can comfortably be replaced with cos x. Now sin power 8x can I write as cos power 4x, because sin square x whole power 4. So sin square x is nothing but cos x, plus this is 2 sin square x whole cube. You can replace sin square x with cos x, which is cos cube x, plus sin square x is cos x, you can write cos square x. Do you understand? This particular step we have taken like this, which is, guys, can I write it as cos square x plus cos x whole square? You just see this, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So guys, this is nothing but 1 square, which is 1. Correct? So first option is the right answer. Excellent. The student, many of you have answered. Very nice. So that's really excellent. You answered the question within no time. Chalo, this question guys, a superb question. Try to answer. Root of 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A is, yeah, quick, secant A minus tan A, then A lies in the quadrants. Quick. Try to answer. Right? What is the answer? All of you please try the question. Guys, all of you please try. So what is the answer? Given root of 1 minus sin A, or so is anyone ready to answer? So then A lies in which quadrants? First, second, or second, third, or 1/4, 1/3. Quick. Can I get the answer? Vaishnavi, you are saying option B. Prasad, B. Okay, many of you are going with B. Right? In this question, you see how we are going to use our concept of non-negative. You see, whenever you calculate 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A, to calculate easily, guys, please do remember 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. So we shall multiply and divide with, you see, 1 minus sin A in the numerator and denominator. Clear? So with this, dear students, you will get numerator will be 1 minus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A is going to be 1 minus sin square A, which is cos square A. What is the next step, dear students? What is the next step? What is the next step here? What is the next step? You see, root of x square. What is the answer? All of you text root of x square. What is the answer? Quick. Root of x square. What is the answer? Root of x square. Root of x square. Root of x square. I want the answer for root of x square. Let me know, guys. Root of x square. Mod x. Very good. Root of x square mod x. That's excellent. Indian, please correct. It is mod x. So you see, this is root of this. This becomes 1 minus sin A by modulus of cos A. But guys, 1 minus sin A will never be negative because sin A maximum value is 1. So now come to this, the numerator is 1 minus sin A because it is always positive by mod cos A. Now your answer is dependent on cos A is positive or negative, guys. Your answer is dependent on cos A is positive or negative. Now case 1, suppose cos A positive, this is just cos A, you will write 1 minus sin A by cos A you will get, which is secant A minus tan A. Suppose cos A negative, you will get 1 minus sin A by minus cos A, that is minus secant A plus tan A you will get. So there are two answers possible, guys. Two answers are possible here. So what are they? You see, two answers are possible in the sense secant A minus tan A if cos A positive, minus secant A plus tan A if cos A negative. He said already secant A minus tan A. That means he has taken cos A positive, right? If cos A is positive, in which quadrant cos A is positive, guys? In which quadrant cos A is positive? First quadrant and fourth quadrant. First and fourth. Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Clear? Clear, everyone? Got it? Option C is the right answer. How many of you really enjoyed this question? Purely concept based question, bhaiya. It is purely concept based questions. If you are not clear with the concept here, simply if you write in a regular way, you will definitely get the wrong answer. Clear, everyone? Right? Right? Fine. Sir, A can be in third and fourth and sign is negative. Arey yaar, 1 minus sin A is always positive because sin A maximum value is 1. So, this is 1 minus sin A. Mod cos A. Now, it is all dependent on mod cos A only. If cos A is positive, you can write cos A as it is so that the answer becomes secant A minus tan A. In that case, guys, in that case, you are going to get secant A minus tan A. He already said that. That means he took cos A positive, that means first and fourth quadrant. Suppose A is in second and third quadrant, cos negative, so here you will get minus cos A, so your answer will become minus secant A plus tan A. Minus of that you are going to get. So it is all dependent on, guys, root of x square is equal to, what an important point it is, root of x square is equal to, all of you please text, root of x square is equal to, many of you, yeah, you are not understanding my feelings. All of you listen to me, okay. This is important. Root of x square is equal to mod x. इससे बढ़ के फीलिंग्स कुछ भी नहीं रहते, समझे? Got it? अरे भैया फोकस करो, इधर फोकस करो, focus here. Okay. So guys, let me, somebody is asking to repeat again. You see, dear students, whenever you see 1 plus sin A in the denominator, you multiply with 1 minus sin A in the numerator and denominator, right? Then, dear students, you just multiply 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A is 1 minus sin square A, which is cos square A. Numerator is 1 minus sin A whole square. So, root of x square is mod x. Here root of cos square x is mod x. Now, it is all dependent on. So, 1 minus sin A is always positive. It does not require modulus. You can write as it is. Now, the problem is with cos x. If cos A is positive, guys, if cos A is positive, the answer is secant A minus tan A. Cos A will be positive in first and fourth quadrant. Right, everyone? Right? Clear? Clear, everyone? Next. Arey yaar, this is a basic standard question, very routine question, but a small trick will be there to answer this question. Can somebody give the answer for this? A small alignment is required to answer this question. Can anyone in the class? Guys, what is the answer for this? Arey yaar, all of you like the video, forward the video, subscribe to Sri Chaitanya channel, right? All of you, please do that. You will be getting alerts throughout the 2 years JEE preparation. Whenever there is an alert about IIT JEE, you will be getting, okay? Right? Yeah. Quick. Chalo. B, A, B answers are given, right? That's excellent, guys. That's superb. Nice. You attempted it well. Let me check whether it is correct or not. You see, cos theta minus sin theta. What I do is cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta minus sin theta. You just see this. This is the question given. So, you just take this cos theta this side. Sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. Is this clear? I took this term this side. Now, dear students, you just take sin theta into root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. Okay. You just multiply with root 2 plus 1 on both sides. Root 2 plus 1 into sin theta is equal to root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. Arey yaar, this is a square minus b square. This is 1. This is 1 in the sense, this is root 2 sin theta plus sin theta is equal to cos theta. Now you send this term that side. So root 2 sin theta is going to be cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. So cos theta minus sin theta is root 2 sin theta. Option A is the right answer. Perfect. Perfectly said. Well done. Those who answered option A, congratulate yourself, guys. Clear? Good, good. Well done. Well done. Well done. Yes. And one more question, maybe the last question of the day. Can anyone answer this question without just the question is given, you are giving the answer? That's superb. Is it answer for the previous question or this question? Nice, nice, that's nice. Yeah, this question or previous question. That's excellent, guys. That's excellent, superb. That's good. But we are unable to do the century of likes. I'm missing for the past 2-3 days to get the century of likes. But still trying to be man of the series. We'll try. Okay, no worries. Yeah, tomorrow. Okay. Right? So what is the answer? Dear students, one important point is sin theta maximum value is 1. Sin theta maximum value is 1. If sin theta maximum value is 1, when this is sin. So sum of 3 sin values 3 in the sense, if sum of 3 sin values is 3 in the sense, this must be 1, this must be 1, this must be 1. Otherwise it is impossible, guys. Otherwise it is impossible. Because if it is less than 1, one of them must be more than 1, which is not possible. And hence I mean to say, and hence I can say each one is 1. If sin theta 1 is 1, if sin theta 1 is 1, guys, you mean to say obviously the relevant cos will become 0. For example, like 90, sin 90 degrees is 1, so cos 90 is 0. If sin theta 2 is 1, cos theta 2 is 0, sin theta 3 is the 1, cos theta is 0, the answer is 3 into 0, which is again a big 0. Okay? Clear? Yes. So we are left with it is 0, right? So dear guys, boys and girls, we are left with just 2 more classes. So we are left with this tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So math trigonometry part will be completed. So mostly the schedule will be completed. So update will be given to you. So as of now, this is the information related to this, guys. So that is all about this today's session. So what did we learn in today's session, dear students? What did we learn in today's session? It is simple. So yesterday we have learned trigonometric identities. Come on, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. Then today most important thing that we have learned is allied angles, how to simplify sin of 90 degrees minus theta, sin of I can say like 90 degrees plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270, 360. Allied angles, how to simplify we have seen today. That is all for the day, guys. And tomorrow we shall do compound angles and relevant formulae and problems. Clear, guys, everyone? Thank you. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye. Good day. Bye.